Be strong.
Okay, so the purpose of this video is to give you a alternative to using Photoshop at home if you don't have Photoshop, in case like you want to work on one of our projects. There's this free online photo editor that's very similar to Photoshop. It's called PhotoP, and it looks almost identical. It's missing a lot of stuff. I mean, there's ads and stuff. You close them and they just get replaced by another one. So I mean, it's pointless to try to get rid of them. But it is a free online photo editing that's probably the most comparable. And you can see you can open up Photoshop documents and other types of files in here, even GIMP files, even though we haven't got into that yet. I just want to point out you can't do any animations on here. I mean, you can, but it's beyond my pay grade. I really haven't messed around with PhotoP too much, but you can see the similarities are pretty astounding if you go back and forth between them. So I'm going to just show you, in case you ever want to work at home on something. Pretend I'm in Photoshop right now on my school laptop. I'll go File, Save As, and I'll save it as a Photoshop. I'll save it on my desktop. That's from 2017. Well, okay, so I hit Save, and that's going to pop up. Always hit OK. Minimize this. Now, I'm going to go to Google Classroom because you have a wonderful thing up here in your drive. You can store stuff in there between home and here. And I think you should probably really get in the habit of doing this anyways, you know, saving all your work, not only on your laptop computer, but in your drive, just in case something happens to the laptop. So, go to Drive, and then you're going to go over here where it says New. You want to do a file upload. You go to the desktop, wherever you saved it, and there it is right there. So I'm going to open that up, and it'll upload. Now let's hit refresh. So there it is right there. Here's how you double click on it. It's can't preview it, that's fine. Sometimes it'll let you preview, sometimes it won't. If it says, if you see that blue bar there, you can download it, or you go up here, you might have to, you know, open in a new window, or if you see that, that means download. So I'm gonna download it, and I know, just pretend I'm on my other laptop at home, the school issued laptop. So I saved it, and I don't want to open it. I'm just going to save it. Save it. And then if you use PhotoP, if you're on your school issued laptop, this is, you know, if you don't have Photoshop on your computer, you go to photop.com, File, Open, and you open that up, and there it is, and you can see all the layers and whatnot. Still, you know, do Photoshop stuff. I will note that a lot of people say it crashes on smaller computers. Just be aware of that. And that's just another thing that you can do if you want to take projects home and kind of work on them, tweak them a little bit. Just note, they're not completely the same. They're slightly different. Like, so window, like, this looks totally different than this window. So just be aware of that, but it's pretty similar to do, like, you know, minor edits and whatnot. So that's all I got for today. And as always, happy photoshopping and God bless.